How to change Instagram username font. First, open a web browser. Write IG Fonts in the search bar. Open the website. Write your username in this box. Choose the font style you like. Tap and hold on the font, then copy it. Now go to your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon. Tap on edit profile. Now tap on username field. Remove your current username and paste the font you copied from the website. Unfortunately, Instagram is not allowing external fonts to use in username section. They only allow them in your name field.